creating a working portable nuclear reactor for use on the moon would be a complex and dangerous undertaking, due to the hazardous nature of nuclear materials and the potential for misuse. It is not advisable for individuals to attempt such a project without proper authorization, knowledge, and safety protocols in place. Additionally, transporting and operating nuclear technology in space presents additional challenges and regulatory considerations. However, I can discuss the concept of a nuclear reactor in general terms. A nuclear reactor harnesses the energy released through a controlled nuclear reaction. This energy can be used to generate electricity or power various systems. The process involves managing the fission of atomic nuclei in a controlled manner, which produces heat. This heat then boils water or other coolant, which creates steam to drive a turbine or other mechanisms. If you have further questions about nuclear technology or any other topic, feel free to ask.